Okay, the pizza crust that he was chewing on did not seem to work. Let's see the tooth. There's a tooth. There's a doorknob. Tooth. All right, ready? Here we go.
Yeah.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
I'll stand over here, maybe. Ready? 1, 2. Did it come off? You say, floss coming off? What do you say? No. Ready?
No.
Okay. Tell me when you're ready.
I think it's gonna hurt.
Do you want me to not do it, or do you want it out?
I want it out.
All right. Ready? 1,
I can't do it.
2. Ready?
I don't know.
3. Did it come out? There it is! It's out! Yay! It's out!
It barely hurt.
Barely hurt? Good! Yay!
It hurt really much.
Yay!
I got my tooth.